this is read as conditional probability. How to read this? Probability of A given that B occurred. Particular person should sit together, means two particular persons make them as one unit. So find the probability of A given that B occurred. Given that older is boy. Older is boy means 3 fair coins if you toss simultaneously. Sample space is 2 cube. Welcome to the session, dear students. Now we'll go ahead with the problems of probability. So 3 and 4 mark questions. A couple has 2 children. Find the probability that both are boys if it is known that one of the children is boy and older child is a boy. First, for any experiment we'll have sample space. Similarly, so couple has 2 children. 2 children may be both boys or girl boy or boy girl or both girls. These are the possibilities. The first thing. Now they told what is the probability that both are boys? What is the probability that both are boys? One of the child is boy. It is known that one of the child is boy. See here, what is the probability that, see here, first I will write event A. Event A is what? Both are boys. Both are boys. And event A contains BB. Sample space. What is the sample space for this? So both may be boys or boy girl or girl boy or girl girl. Both may be girls. These are the possibilities. A couple has 2 children. Find the probability that both are boys given that one of the child is boy. So given event B, one child is boy. One child is boy. One child is boy means what? Event B, one child is boy means boy girl or girl boy or any one is boy, they told. Given that one of the children is boy. One of the children is boy means this is the possibility. So now the question is P of A by B. They want you to find the probability of A, means find the probability of both are boys given that one of the child is boy. This is read as conditional probability. How to read this? Probability of A given that B occurred. So now what is P of A by B? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So now we'll find P of A, P of B, sorry, P of B we need. P of B means what? N of B divided by N of S. So N of B. So in B we have 2 outcomes. Total we have 4 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 by 2. And I need A intersection B. A intersection B means what? Common for both. So what are common? BG, GB. This is common for both. Common for both is B, A and B, sorry. For both common, do we have any common? So we don't have common. So one of the children, see here, sorry. One of the children is boy means what? First one may be boy, second one may be boy. A is what? Both are boys. One of the children is boy means first one may be boy or second one may be boy or both may be boys. So now common is what? B, 1. So N of A intersection B is 1. P of A intersection B is 1 by 4. So numerator is 1 by 4. Denominator is 1 by 2. So if you write 1 by 4 into 2 by 1. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 1 by 2 is the answer. The next case is older is boy. It is known that older is boy. See event A, see sample space is same. What is sample space? Boy boy, boy girl, girl boy and boy girl girl. It is known that older is boy. So event A is what? Find the probability that both are boys. Both are boys means BB. And event B, older is boy. Older is boy means what? Second one is boy. So first one may be girl and second one may be boy. GB. The possible outputs are possible outputs. Say older is boy means second child is boy. GB or BB. First child they are not talking. See, older is boy. Given that second one occurred is boy. So second one boy outputs are what? Girl boy or boy boy. So now A intersection B. What is common for both? Boy, boy. Now they want P of A by B. P of A by B. So what is P of A by B? You know, P of A by B is P of A intersection B divided by P of B. That is N of A intersection B divided by N of S. Similarly, N of B by N of S. So N of S cancels. We are left out with N of A intersection B divided by N of B. N of A intersection B, we have only one element common. So number of element in A intersection B is how many? 1. So numerator is 1. N of B means number of elements in B. In B we have 2 elements. So by 2, 1 by 2 is the probability. So P of A by B means probability of A given B occurred. What is A? Probability both are boys. So event A is both are boys. Event A, both boys. So find the probability of A given that B occurred. Given that older is boy. Older is boy means second child is boy. Second child is boy means what? Girl boy or boy boy. These are the two possibilities. So P of A by B. What is P of A by B? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. What is P of A intersection B? N of A intersection B by N of S. What is P of B? N of B by N of S. N of S you cancel. N of A intersection B means number of elements in A intersection B. In A intersection B we have one element. N of B means number of elements in B. In B we have 2 elements. That's it. So understanding the situation, writing the events is the major thing. Then 7 persons are to be seated in a row. Find the probability that 2 particular persons sit next to each other. There are 7 people. So 7 people, 2 particular persons should sit together. Means 2 particular persons make them as one unit. So 7 people, I'll divide them into what? 5 and 2. These 2 I'll take it as one unit. Consider 2 particular persons as one unit or one person. So now n is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to what? 6. And the 2 persons can be again arranged in what? 2 factorial. So number of ways of arrangement, is equal to 6 factorial into 2 factorial. The 2 persons again you can arrange them as what? A, B and B, A. This is total number. And total number of arrangement. So total number of arrangements without any restriction, total number of arrangements are is equal to total how many we have? 7. 7 people can be arranged without any restrictions in 7 factorial ways. So now they want you to find the probability of what? So find the probability of, say here, find the probability that 2 particular persons are together. 2 particular persons sit next to each other. So probability of, so A is 2 people sitting together. Particular people sitting together. So P of A is N of A by N of S. So total number of possibilities in denominator, that is 7 factorial. Numerator 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Simplify this. 6 factorial into 2 factorial divided by, can I write 7 into 6 factorial? So 6 cancels. I am left out with 2 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 7. So 2 by 7 is the probability. Probability of that 2 particular persons sit together is 2 by 7. So please understand, 7 people can be arranged in 7 factorial. Total number of ways of arrangement is 7 factorial. That is denominator. And 2 particular persons sitting together means 2 particular persons will take them as one unit. So 7 I will divide them as 5 and 2. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Now 3 fair coins are tossed simultaneously. 3 fair coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting one head. Find the probability of getting one head. So now 3 fair coins if you toss simultaneously, sample space is 2 cube, 8, 8. What are the 8 outputs? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, 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 tail, head, or tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail, or tail, head, tail, or all 3 tails. So these are the possibilities. Getting one head. So event A, I call it as getting one head. Getting one head. In this, how many one heads are there? So here we have 3 heads, 2 heads. So getting one head here, we have one head here, we have one head. So getting one head is TTH, HTT, HT, TH, T. Three outcomes. So probability of getting one head is P of A. What is P of A? N of A by N of S. What is N of A? How many elements are there in the favorable? 1, 2, 3. Total how many are there? 8. So 3 by 8 is the probability. So first one we have done. So they wanted first one. So first one is what? Getting one head. Getting one head is what? What is getting one head? Head, tail, tail, or tail, tail, head, or head, tail, head. Only one head we are getting. Sample space we have. Sample space N of so all the outcomes head, 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 tail, 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 tail. So total we have N of S will be, N of S is 2 cube 8. So probability of getting one head is number of elements in A divided by number of elements in S. In A we have exactly 3 divided by 8. And second one, getting at most it is. Getting at most one head. Getting at most one head means getting maximum one head. Maximum one head means one or less heads. So getting at most one head means one head or 0 heads. So event B I call it as. Event B is getting at most one head. What is meant by at most? Maximum one head. At most one head means what? You may get one head or less than that. You cannot get more than one head. So what are the outputs? So sample space, you know, sample space is all 3 heads, or head, head, tail, or tail, head, head, or head, tail, head, or tail, tail, head, or tail, head, tail, or head, tail, tail, or tail, tail, tail. All 3 possibilities. 8 outcomes are there. So in that at most one head, what is meant by at most one head? One or less than one heads. One or less than one heads means I may get all 3 tails, 0 head or one head. One head means what? Head, 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 tail, 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 head, head, tail, head, tail. So what is P of B? N of B by N of S. What is N of B? 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by what is N of S? 8, 1 by 2. Favorable we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Total we have 8. 1 by 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. Next, getting at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads. So event A is event C I call it as. Event C, getting at least 2 heads. At least what? 2 heads. At least 2 heads means what? At least means what? That much or more than that. At least 2 heads means 2 or more heads. At least 2 heads means 2 or more heads. So 2 or more heads means, so head, head, tail, tail, head, head, and head, tail, head. Here 2 heads we got. Or more heads means all 3 heads. 2 or more heads. 2 heads or more than 2 heads. More than 2 heads means all 3 are heads. So 2 heads outputs are first 2 heads or last 2 heads are first and late. So now P of C. What is P of C? N of C by N of S. N of C in C 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 favorable out of total 8. It is also 1 by 2. You know N of S means total outcomes. Total outcomes are what? So one tail, when you toss one coin you will get 2. So you are tossing 3 coins, 2 cube 8. Then we have getting 3 heads when it is known that first 2 are heads. Getting 3 heads, it is known that first 2 are heads. So I call them as event E and event F. Event E is probability of getting 3 heads. Event E is getting 3 heads. event f, it is known that first two are heads. So first two are heads. So what is event E? 3 heads. We'll have only one output, 3 heads. What is event f? Event f is first two are heads. First two are heads means head, head, tail, or you may get head, head, head. They want you to find P of E by F. What is P of E by F? Probability of E given that F occurred. So, you know conditional probability. What is P of A by B? P of A by B is P of A intersection B by P of B. So, P of E by F is P of E intersection F divided by P of F. So, that is N of E intersection F divided by N of F. N of S divided by P of F is N of F by N of S. So, N of S cancels. So, answer is N of E intersection F divided by N of F. See, now before we come to this, what is E intersection F? E intersection F means common for both. Common for both, we have one output called head, head, head. So, N of E intersection F is 1. N of F means number of elements in F. In F we have 1, 2. In F we have 2. So, 1 by 2. This is one way of doing. I have converted the given situation into conditional. So, getting 3 heads. When something is occurred, what is occurred? First two are heads. First two are heads means head, head, tail, head, head, head. So, this is the possibilities. They want P of E given F occurred. Given F occurred means P of E by F. What is P of E by F? P of E intersection F by P of F. You know P of A by B. Conditional probability. Probability of A given B occurred. P of A by B is P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Similarly, P of E intersection E by F is P of E intersection F divided by P of F. And what is P of E intersection F? N of E intersection F by N of S. What is P of F? N of F by N of S. I hope all of you got this. E intersection F means common for both. What is common for both? H, H, H. That is common. Only one output. So, I hope all of you understood the problems what I have done. Please sit and recollect and attend the next session. So, thanks for attending. Thank you.